Do you feel the vibes?
In today's video, we're going to be installing Rexpeed carbon fiber door handles on a 2020 Supra.
Wasn't an option, so we decided to go with scissors.
Up to 3M. We're just test fitting, make sure everything's gonna wind up, feels smooth when it goes on. Everything feels good there. Could get away with that. So I got tweezers. My hands are not fitting in there to get it off. That might help some of you guys out, I'm not sure. Alright, we're gonna full send this. Mock up. Not interfering with anything. Alright, on to the next one. I'm just going to use tweezers. I cannot fit my digits in there to pull this stuff off. It doesn't work for me.
Looks like the tweezers ain't working either.
I know, right? It's like watching paint dry over here. Presses. We're going to let it sit for a while, especially in this heat. It should cure even faster. Press on the other side a little bit. Alright guys, we just got finished installing the Rexpeed carbon fiber handles, door handles. They're just a cover with some 3M. You do have to do your own 3M. We're going to provide that information in this video, the best way we saw possible. Some of the other ways that I saw other people do it, if we would have did it, it just wouldn't have fit flush around, and they're really tight on the handles already. They almost clip on. So just see the way we did the 3M, and so far it's worked pretty well. We'll see how it holds up in the future, but it looks like it's doing pretty good. Quality of the carbon fiber on the Rexspeed, amazing. They did a great job on them. The fit and finish is amazing. Super easy install, 15 minutes.
probably more time 3Ming, even more time trying to pull off the 3M backside. As you saw, yeah, that was terrible, man.
It took forever.
It literally took forever. I had to go get tweezers.
Tweezers.
Yeah, tweezers, man. These digits aren't working in there. And that's it, man. Good fit and finish, and on to the next project. I'll see you guys next time.